what is it? Thursday, March 5, 2026. Thursday, March 5, 2026. All right. Anyway, I'm just going to take you through these pictures best I can and show you what I did, how I did it, and so on and so forth. All right. So, full screen. All right. So, this is a Panasonic RS-466S. All right. And this is that end, the front, that end, the power end. Whoops, I'm still using, wait, can I zip in? Here, that's how it works. That's the AC end, that's all there is on this end. Here is the back. Let's see if I can zoom in, alright. You got your dual microphones, one with a remote. You got your line in, line out, external speakers. You got your beat cut. Take 60 batteries in there. And this is the, anyway, there it is right there. It's just 120 volts. Doesn't have world voltage, okay? So then next, battery compartment, okay? I made it close up. All right, well, here's the front of it. Now, let's see here. I want to zoom in and show you that you got your band selector, AM and FM. It's the push button. You got your bass, treble, left volume, and right volume. And then, which is odd to me, you have, oops, no, go back. Okay, and then zoom in again. Am I blocking? I'm not blocking this. Okay. Then you have your, eject button right here, which is different than that. And your pause only, stop, play, fast forward, cue, review, and record. Then over here, you have your, I can drag it, okay. And over here you have sleep, which means you use the cassette as a timer to, when the tape goes to end, it clicks off and the radio goes off as well, or you can use, the center position is your radio, and off position is tape only. And then you have your normal and chrome select, and your stereo and mono works on both the FM stereo and the cassette. So you can put it in mono and you'll get your mono sound from your cassette. If you put it in stereo, you get stereo sound with your cassette. This does not have stereo wide or anything like that. So there's the bottom of it. Here's the inside of it. Okay, it's not much to see. It's just here. Well, okay. Here is your. It's an 8-ohm speaker right there on either side. They use the old style U-shaped magnet thing. Best way to describe that. And here is the. What is this? I take a picture of. This is the antenna plug. That's it. Just that one there. Nothing else really to see here. Okay. And then here is the instructions for removing the main circuit board, which I did not need to do. Anyway, there we are. And then this is what it looks like when you flop the front open. When you flop the front open, I'm sorry, when you take the back off first, then you can remove the front and then unplug this singular plug right down here. This plug right there. You unplug that plug and that separates the front from the from the front. And then this is just a close-up picture. I'm holding a little plug. Okay, and you zoom into the motor because everybody wants to know about the motor. No! Oh, good grief. Okay, I'm having fun here with. Okay, now I want to zoom into this motor. It's upside down, but it's basically 4 November of 76. That's the date code of the motor, alright? It's a 9-volt motor. Okay. And here's just a full view of both inside, and there's one screw here, and another screw up there to remove the cassette deck. You don't have to take this little thing off. You can if you want to, but you don't need to. Alright, and then you take the cover off. Alright, this one has, okay, this has an antenna that goes down inside the radio, but it was broke off on both models that I have, so I don't have one. Here's another picture of the speaker for those that are speaker inclined, but as you can see from the previous picture, these are rotated differently to get around the circuit board, so one goes that way, the other one goes the other way. Here is both of them opened up on the inside, okay? Well anyway, both of them, okay? And then this is the underside of the cassette deck. You can put about a 5-inch belt on there. Let's see here. Put a 5-inch belt up underneath here. There is an idler tire, but I didn't need to replace it in this little part here, so this is the old belt. Oh yeah, you can see this old belt. See how bent that belt is? That's wore out. That's not worth anything. Okay. Here's the belt I took out just to measure it. See here. I measured about 14 centimeters or 5.5 inches. I put in a 5-inch belt. I was just fine with that. Okay. Here is the inside. Okay, like I said, these have to be installed this way. It won't go any other way. You have to have this one rotated or that one rotated, however you look at it. Okay. This is a picture of what? Oh, okay, here I've installed, okay, because this doesn't have an antenna, I have soldered on an extra wire and ran it around the inside of the back. Okay, so I'm showing you here that I've taped, so the wire starts, okay, the wire, let's see here, this is what plugs onto the circuit board, and then I added a wire here and I ran it around, taped it down and put it up to here. Okay, so that gives you your stereo. Not as well as an aerial antenna, but better than nothing. Alright. Here's another model I did the same way, a little bit, well, no, that's the same picture. Just showing you what it would look like. Okay. And then I got the stereo, got my fixtureaudio.com. I got the 3 kilohertz tape from them, and I stuck a screwdriver into the back of the motor, and I used the wound flutter meter from Stereo to Go, which is an application you can put on your phone, and as you can see, I got it just barely, well, I got it at 35.4 hertz, which is pretty close considering the age of this, so I put it just a fraction fast rather than a fraction slow. Here I cleaned the speakers on both models. I don't know, I took a picture of everything, but I did, but not in this camera. And then here is, see. This one here is clean. That's clean. And that one's dirty, right? So, and this is just water on the paper cone, in case you're interested. It'll dry up and look normal. So, and there they are installed. Okay, this one's got a slight, again, this has got the taped around. See, I had a little bit longer wire here, so I went, the original wire is blue, that was plugs under the radio, then it goes from blue to yellow, then from yellow to black to make it a little longer. Anyway, so, and once again, oh, this is a different machine. Okay, so I'm done. So, let me, let's just wide out. Okay, so wide out to this one here. I got 2 cameras rolling. Wide this one out, alright, looking at my shirt. Okay, and then just pull this down. Oh, that's stiff. That's close enough. And then pull this one down. Okay, so let's see, just close that. It should shut it down, right? Oh, good. That shut it down. Okay, so get this out of the way. Unplug this. And just throw this over here. Great, so. Fine. Now, alright, now here's this one first. I'm doing this one first. Let's turn the light on, I guess. So, alright, so, you can see, I guess I could, let's see, let me zoom in on this one. There we go. And zoom in on this one. Okay. Alright, so, just so you know, this has your, well, I got a tape. This is the not so great tape. Where's the one in plastic? I misplaced it. Well, okay, I have to go with this one then. Alright, this is a visual tape. It's not a, it's just a visual tape. Right? So, that's, this side's been recorded on, over with, but so you can cue it. This is a sounds like crap, but I had that tape here. It's in a case. It's in a plastic case, and why can't I find it now? That's not it. That's not it. I thought I kept all that stuff together. Such is my life. Here I try and get everything lined up. It's not here. That's not it. It's not there. So I got two of these tapes. One tape is well chewed up. Oh, here, it's right in front of me. Here it is. This is the better tape. Alright, so eject that. Alright, so this one rolls along easier than that one does. Along like that, rolls along like that. There's the counter working. And then no treble, no bass, no volume, no volume, volume. That one, all the bass, treble, it's in stereo. Alright, so you know what that sounds like, and of course this is running on battery, so we turn it on to radio.
Just $1.99 a square foot?
Again, one for what?
Available representative.
That's FM.
Been that way.
You save me, I love you.
Take your pick to get.
Hands on it.
Yep. We're all hoping.
Say, baby, how's your day? But today ain't it the same?
Anyway, that works. And then here's this one, which is, give me my tape out of here. Alright, so eject. Okay. And here's the purple one that I got from California. No, this is not mine. Got it to repair, which I've done. So, oh, it's got a tape in there. Alright. Take this, throw that in, hit play. No bass, no treble, no bass. Add bass. on batteries. Sounds like that. Is that the end of the tape? You can play your own music in it, but it sounds great otherwise. So, wait, stop, check, flop it over. And this does have that rolling along there, if you can see that. That works. Everything works. Okay, it just is painted over. Alright, so the other one's for sale. This one's not. This is not mine. I got to ship it back to the person that owns it in California, just in case you wanted to know. Alright, so I'm going to do that after I repair the other model that I have of his as well, which we're not talking about in this video. Alright, so there we have it. I'll put that in front. Bring off. It doesn't matter. I'll just put them both here. Just here. Just give me a picture. Alright, so that. Here, give me this one. Good day. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Oh yeah, I watched somebody else's video on how to repair this, but he went in too much detail, and I've got 16 minutes. So good day. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Turn that off. Got a picture of that one. Okay. And then here's get this out of the way. Get the other camera. Oh, come on, get it off the tripod. Okay, so now, once again, I did all that. Wait. Put your hand in the handle. There we go. Flip it around so you can see. 17 minutes. See, wait. Okay. This one's kind of hard. There we go. Finally got my finger into the button. Okay. There it is. That's what they look like. Thanks for watching. Good day. Bye-bye. I gotta go. And hit photo. Don't know if it took one. Okay, well, just goodbye. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.